step-by-step tips to help you achieve affiliate marketing success. When people turn to the internet to make some extra cash, they typically go for affiliate marketing. It is true that affiliate marketing can get you some extra money. However, many people give up because they did not know the correct techniques or they did not want to put in the work. If you fall in the latter group, then you need to give up affiliate marketing. However, if you fall in the former group, read these pieces of advice below. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, be sure to clearly spell out the benefits of the product in your video. Don't expect your readers to do the legwork for themselves based on your recommendation. Tell them directly why they should buy the item and they're more likely to do it. In order to run a successful affiliate marketing business, you have to attract the right consumers to your website. Writing videos that are relevant to the product or products you are selling is an efficient way to do this. For example, if you are promoting natural health remedies, post videos on your website about arthritis, the benefits of natural health remedies, or how garlic can ease joint pain. Consumers looking for information that pertains to the products you are sponsoring are more likely to pull out their credit cards and increase your monthly sales. Let your visitors and readers know when you're using affiliate marketing. They usually will give you a positive result. Transparency and honesty are important traits for affiliate marketers, just as they are for any business person that wants to genuinely win their customers' trust. If your readers understand the reasons you utilize affiliate marketing, they may be more positive and responsive to the links provided on your site. Therefore, affiliate marketing can be successful for you if you learn to apply these specific techniques and put in the work. If you don't want to put in the work, there are easier ways you can make money online. However, if you stick with affiliate marketing and work hard, this can be a very profitable choice for you. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.